but I'm 12 years old. I'm an American girl traveling Europe. Right now I'm sitting at my spot. It's where I spend most of my time doing homework, eating, and when we can, watching videos. Right now I'm going to show you my room. Now, most people have mistaken this as a cupboard, but it's actually my room. Right now we're stocked, so it's not very comfy. This is my bed. It's really comfortable. It's sometimes really hard to get out in the morning. This is my closet, my desk area with my notebook. Here's my sink. It is actually functional. You could hear the water pump. This is my shelf area, and here is my postcard collection. I collect postcards from everywhere we go, and so it's a lot. So, and that is our room. Bye.